Peab is the largest construction company in Sweden, but we have also businesses in Finland and in Norway and to some degree in Denmark as well. We had a lot of efficiency goals that we set up prior to initiating the project, but most of them had to do with the fact that we are a shared service center. We have to manage a whole lot of companies, new companies entering in the company group and others leaving, so we had to be able to very fast move in and move out companies out of our systems. And we also had to get rid of a lot of those manual processes that we were living with back from the 80s. So it had very much to do with efficiency and trying to get processes to get smoother. Peab eventually chose to work with Unit4, with the system that Unit4 provided. And it was for a couple of reasons. By far the best fit to our requirements that we had set up beforehand. But it was also, to a very large extent, a matter of culture. We immediately felt when we had the discussions with Unit4 that this is a company we share a lot of the same values, and we had a very good feeling about the fact that we're going to be able to work together and run a project together which was very solution-oriented and with a common goal, and we would work fine together. We are mainly using the ERP system. That's the biggest system we are using from Unit4, together with MAP that we are using in the construction and civil engineering businesses. We are also using the payroll system in our business in Norway. The ERP solution from Unit4 helped us to be more efficient. We had the ability to automate a lot of processes, so we were able to remove a lot of manual steps, especially around the year end, but also in the quarters. So it really speeded up our processes, and we had the ability to be faster. We had to deliver our results faster to the company group. And we managed to achieve that, so that was a huge achievement for us. Our main experience of Unit4 is that it's a really down-to-earth company. We've had a really good relationship with everyone from top to bottom in the organization.